One of the most hyped Indian sneaker brand is finally coming to Myntra. If you're a sneaker lover, don't skip this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is a big news for sneakerheads and streetwear lovers because Comet sneakers are officially launching on Myntra on 30th Jan 2026. Yes, you heard that right. For those who don't know, Comet is a homegrown Indian sneaker brand that blew up because of its clean designs, bold combinations, and premium style looks. They focus on lifestyle sneakers that are stylish, comfortable, and very Instagram worthy. What makes Comet different is their storytelling based designs. Each sneaker feels unique, not copied, not boring. They are unisex, easy to style, perfect for daily wear, college, casual outings, and even travel. Till now, Comet sneakers were mainly available on their own website, but launching on Myntra means easier shopping, faster delivery, better return and size support, and most importantly, trust factor. For many people, this was the only reason they were waiting. Prices should mostly fall between 4300 to 5300. So if you want premium looking sneakers without paying crazy international brand prices, this is a solid option. One quick tip. If you're planning to buy, be ready early on launch day. Popular sizes usually sell out fast, especially white and neutral colorways. So mark your calendar, 30th Jan 2026, Comet sneakers on Myntra. Let me know in the comments, are you buying Comet or skipping? Like, share and subscribe for more sneaker and fashion updates. See you in the next video guys, this is Naveen signing off, bye.